You searched how to buy shares of OFA Group, and this short video walks through the steps. OFA Group is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker OFAL, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can purchase shares. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker OFAL to locate the company listing. Make sure the listing matches OFA Group to avoid the wrong asset. On the asset page, check the basic company information and review the price chart for recent activity. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm your order before submitting. If the market is closed, the order may execute in the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to explore the platform further.